Tempura pumpkin. With its unique crispy and sweet taste, loved by diners. Let's take a look at the tempura pumpkin production line. Wash and peel the pumpkin and slice or slice it. Enter the sizing machine. Wrap evenly with a layer of tempura slurry. There is an interlayer outside the slurry tank. Keep cold sizing. After sizing, enter the frying line and fry until golden. Fried line with built-in smart sensor. Say goodbye to the scorching caused by runaway oil temperature. The equipment is equipped with a double insulated shell. Problems such as excessive oil absorption, automatic temperature replenishment, automatic power failure over temperature. Avoid the risk of employee burns. All-round guarantee of operation safety. Multiple protection mechanisms such as leakage protection,